Okay, 22 number. It says that how many bricks, each of length 25 centimeter, breadth 12.5 centimeter, and height 8 centimeter will be required to construct a wall of height 2 meter and thickness 25 centimeter around a rectangular garden with length 120 meter and width 90 meter. That's okay. So if I mainly what I need to find out is number of bricks. So if I want to find out the number of bricks, I have to divide the volume of the wall, divided by volume of a brick. Then I will get how many bricks I will need. Now the dimension of the volume, a dimension of the brick is given. So it is easy to find out the volume of the brick. We need to take care of the volume of the wall. Now how can we calculate the volume of the wall? So if I draw the rectangular garden here, okay, we need to build a wall inside, right? Okay, let me show it in this way. Like this, right? This will be our wall. Okay, so we need to calculate the volume of the wall, right? How can we calculate volume of the wall? The first method that I wanted to show you, that you can first calculate area of this place. Okay, you can calculate area of this place. How can you calculate the area of this place? The area of the larger rectangle minus the area of the inner rectangle, means the smaller rectangle. So if you subtract the area of the outer one, the area of the inner one from the area of the outer one, then you will find the area of the wall. And with that area, if you multiply the height of the wall, you will be finding volume of the wall. Did you get the picture, what I'm trying to do?
No.
Okay, now length of the garden. আমাকে এত মনে করতেছে কি জানি, মোবাইলটা সাইলেন্ট করা দরকার। Okay, length of the garden, it is given as how much? 120 meter and width 90 meter. Okay, 120 meter and width of the garden is equal to 90 meter. So the area of the garden is equal to 120 into 90 meter square. So 9 into 12, that is 108, and then 2 zeros are there. So this is the area of the outer rectangle. Now what we will do, we will try to find out the length of the inner rectangle, right? So to find out the length of the inner rectangle, I have to subtract the thickness of the wall twice from the length. This is the wall, this is the thickness, this is the length of the garden. From here I will subtract the one thickness, and from this side one thickness, then I will get the inner length, right? So if I want to get the length of the garden excluding the wall, then it will be equal to, the length is 120 minus twice the thickness. What is the thickness on the wall? 25 centimeter. So 25 centimeter, I have to convert it into meter. Okay, so what will be the answer? 4 half 120 minus half 119.5 meter. Isn't this the answer? Kindly check. And in the similar way, you will find the breadth of the garden excluding the wall. Okay, the length will be replaced by breadth now. So breadth is 90 minus 2 into 25 by 100. Okay, meter. So it will be 89.5 meter. Kindly check whether these values are correct or not.
Sir, correct.
Okay.
Correct.
So we have found the inner length and inner breadth. So we can calculate the inner area. So what will be the inner area? We will write area of the garden excluding the wall. Excluding the wall is equal to 119.5 into 89.5 meter square. Can anybody tell me the answer?
Sir,
1069
5.25
5.25 meter square. So we have the outer area, that means the total, and we have the inner area. So if I subtract the inner area from the outer area, I will get the area of the wall. So I can write here, so area of the wall is equal to 10800 minus 10695.25. I can write it like, so if I subtract it, what will be the answer? 104.75. Will it be the answer? Kindly subtract and check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 104.75, this is the area of the wall. But what we need? We need the volume of the wall. So with area, if I multiply the height, okay, this is the place where I am going to establish the wall. So it has a certain height, right? So if I multiply the height, then I will get the volume. So volume of the wall, volume of the wall will be equal to 104.75 into what is the height? 2 meter height, na? So 2. Then it will be 209.
209.5.
209.5, right? 209.5 meter cube. Be very careful about the units. Whenever it is area, meter square. Whenever it is volume, it is meter cube. Now we know the volume of the wall. You will put it here. Volume of the brick also you can calculate, but be very careful. The dimension of the bricks will be given in centimeter because brick is very small, right? So 25 centimeter to 12.5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. All these three you have to convert it to meter, then multiply all three of them, you will get the volume of the brick. So put the two values here and you will get how many bricks you need. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is one method, finding out the area of the wall and then finding out the what do I say, volume of the wall. Then we can calculate the number of brick. Okay, this is one method. Another method I'm going to show you. If you find that method easier, you can follow that. Okay. Acha, before I erase this one, I want to ask for the last time. Anybody has any doubt here?
No, sir.
Only one is responding. What others are doing? Okay. Okay. So again, this is going to remain same. Number of bricks is equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of a brick. Okay. So now I will show another method to calculate the volume of the wall. Okay. How we can do that? Now, I will erase it. Let us say at first I'm thinking about the volume of the wall along the not along the breadth, along the length. Along the length, I'm putting the wall. Okay. If I want to find out the volume of these two walls along the length, then what will be the volume of it? So volume of wall along the length. Okay, it will be equal to, see, the length is 120. The thickness, it is 25 centimeter. So 25 divided by 100 into the height. So the height is 2 meter cube. So you will find it out. Okay, how much it will be? 25 দিয়ে কাটলে এটা হবে 4, 2 দিয়ে কাটলে এটা হবে 2, 2 দিয়ে কাটলে এটা হবে 60. So 60 meter cube, but remember you need to multiply it by 2. Why you need to multiply it by 2? Because there are two walls along the length, right? So remember to put a 2. Let us mention volume of the walls, because two walls along the length. So it will be 2 into 60, so 120 meter cube. Acha, volume of the wall along the length I have found out. Now let us consider the volume of the wall along the breadth. But while I am calculating the breadth, I need to subtract twice the thickness of the wall from it. Why? Because this part from the breadth has already been covered. I need to cover this part only, right? So what will be the length of this? Breadth is 90 meter minus twice the thickness, right? If I subtract it, then I will get this length. Correct or not? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now volume of the walls along breadth, okay, will be is equal to 2 into, okay, why 2 into? You understand, because there will be a similar wall on that side also, right? So now how can you calculate the this length? It will be 90 minus 2 into the thickness of the wall, that is 25 divided by 100. This is the length. Okay, what is the breadth or the thickness? The thickness is 25, right? Into 25 by 100 into the height, that is 2. So what will be the answer here? It will be 89.5 into 2 into 89.5 into 0.5. So it will be 44.25. Is it 44.25? Then multiply
But
by
86.
89.5 আসে বোধহয় আবার নাকি? Is the volume 89.5? Kindly check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we find the volume of the two wall along the length and two wall along the breadth. So what will be the total volume? If I add these two, then I will get the total volume of the wall, right? But it's not same like the previous one. Why? In the previous method, what is the value of volume of the wall we got?
So 1065, something like that.
104, I guess. 104.6 something like that. We got the wall. No, that was the area. Oh, sorry. Then I guess we are correct. Okay, so these two we will add. Okay, so total volume of the wall is equal to 120 plus 89.5. 89.5. So how much? 120 plus
209.5.
209.5. Oh, it is the same, right? 209.5.
Yes, sir.
This is the same answer we got. Okay, so volume of the wall we got. Now you can divide it by the volume of the brick and we are done. So any one of the method that I showed you, you can follow. Okay, you just have to be a little bit careful in this one to subtract the thickness from the breadth. Okay, otherwise it is okay. Clear? Anybody have any doubt now?
No, sir.
Acha, I want to make sure that the answer is correct. So that is why I want you to find out the final answer and check with the answer that is written at the back of your book. Okay, so this is the volume of the wall. Okay, fine. We will put it here. 209.5 divided by volume of the brick. Let us calculate the volume of the brick and find out the final answer. Volume of a brick. Okay, একটা ব্রিকের ভলিউম হবে 25 centimeter, 25, 12.5 আর 8 আচ্ছা। So 25 divided by 100 into 12.5 divided by 100 into 8 divided by 100. So it will be, meter cube. So how much?
0.0025.
0.0025. This one. Okay, so we will put this value over there, 0.0025. So divide and see what is the answer.
83,800. 83800.
Exactly. No decimal, nothing.
No.
Okay, fine. So now check the answer. Oh, I can check too, right? Exercise 13. This is problem number 22. Oh yes, 83,800. Mile geche na? That means the concept we used or followed is correct. Okay. I want to know actually which one you found easier, so that I follow that method when I'm teaching the next batch of students. So kindly let me know that which method you found easier. I will ask one by one, okay? Because otherwise you don't respond. Acha, first time Rana and Istiak. Number one method or two? Let us pause the video.